guys, good afternoon. This is Mr. Cool. Today is on Lexus RX350. Seems like each work we're getting this time is more difficult from one point to another. This one problem with this AC is that it's having the refrigerant is coming out of this place. I'm not talking about the coolness, I'm talking about the gas. So we have a prime suspect, and we are already dismantling it. I'm going to take this dashboard down so we can get this issue fixed with. I think we have less than 12 hours to get this done, like 6 hours. So already my subordinate here is already helping me, assisting me to get some of the things out of the way. Yeah, I know what you're gonna be thinking. We just rip off any car that will come across. Yes, that's right. We'll get it back working together again. That is what makes us who we are. So guys, anyhow, it is gonna keep you guys updated. Everything looks very clean. It's not that the AC is not working, but it's leaking freon inside this vent, and that is very, very harmful and dangerous. So however it is, we're gonna keep you posted. For now, this is your guy, Mr. Cool. I hope to see you in some other videos. But for now, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you posted.